In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a page to another project in Webflow. First and foremost, let's ensure you're logged into your Webflow account. This is the foundational step. Now in this tutorial, I have two Webflow projects, and I'll be showing you how to seamlessly copy elements from one to the other. To begin, direct your attention to the project that you want to copy from. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Navigator menu, which is represented by the small hamburger icon. This menu is your gateway to accessing all the elements on your page. Once you're in the Navigator, decide on the specific element that you'd like to copy. This could be anything from a text box to an image or even an entire section of your web page. When you've selected the element, there are a couple of ways to copy it. You can either right-click on the element and select the copy option, or if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, simply click on the element and press Ctrl+C. This command copies your selected element, preparing it to be transferred to your other project. Now that you have the element copied, the next step is to move over to the project where you want to paste it. Open the project and find the area on the screen where you'd like the element to appear. Once you're happy with this location, click on the screen to ensure it's selected. Then to paste your copied content, press Ctrl+V. You'll need to be patient for a moment while Webflow processes the command. The screen might require some time to load and update with your newly pasted element. And there you have it. The element is successfully copied from one project to another. This process is simple and efficient, ensuring you can seamlessly manage and transfer content between your projects in Webflow. Moving pages or elements might seem daunting at first, but as you've just seen, it can be quite straightforward. And that's how you copy a page to another project in Webflow. Pretty easy, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video. If you have comments or questions, feel free to leave them below and consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of your Webflow experience.